Alexa, turn on the kitchen.
Okay.
Hey everybody, on this video I'm going to show you how to mount an Echo Dot. My take on it anyway. I don't know if it's terribly interesting or creative, but it is the way that I decided to do it. What we've got here is a home yard Wi-Fi switch, and that's controlled by Echo. And the problem is my nearest Echo is all the way over there, and if I'm at the sink behind me, it's quite a ways away, and if I have music playing on it or the computer playing something, it can't hear me to turn the light on or turn it off if I forget to actually touch the switch. So what I went ahead and did is mounted one in the kitchen under the sink here. And the way I originally wanted to do this was with 3M command strips, but they wouldn't stick to the back of the Echo. They'll stick to the sides of it, but they won't stick to the back. I did want it right here, but it wouldn't stay. And so what I ended up doing is I got a L bracket. These are about $3. Screwed it into the wall, and then put a command strip on the metal L bracket, and then it's stuck to the Echo on the side here, and then it can't fall forward, so it is gonna stay there. And then I got a 10-foot micro USB cable for power, and ran it up through the dead space on behind the cabinet, and then dropped it down the dead space here, and it's plugged in up here. And eventually, what I'll probably do, right now I'm just using the charging block that came with the Echo. I'll probably put a USB plug in here eventually, and be able to just plug that right in. That's something down the road that I'll do, but for now this will work. And then I don't have to shout across the room anymore to turn timers on or to turn the light on or off. And just say, Alexa, tell me a joke.
What did the cat on the smartphone say? Can you hear me out?
Oh yeah, what a funny joke. So I can get all my stupid jokes from Alexa without having to yell across the room or anything. And I think it's going to work. Cool thing is, there's only 2 small screw holes on the wall, so if I don't like it or ever want to change it, not a big deal. And anyway, like I said, that's my take on mounting one of these Echo Dots. If you like this, thumbs up it. Go ahead and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It helps us out now that they actually count subscribers and it actually matters. So I guess that's all I got for now. So we'll talk to everybody later. Alexa, turn the kitchen off.